federal officials insist they have enough resources despite $227 million in budget cuts since 2010. But they now face 19 large active fires across the West. And the big air tankers that drop fire retardant are a key resource that is diminishing. There were 43 tankers a decade ago, only 17 now. This after one tanker crashed last week, killing 2 pilots, and another made an emergency landing when a gear failed to come down.
The air tankers that are now available are dated, they're old, there are not enough of them.
Such a serious problem that Colorado Senator Mark Udall got a bill through Congress to let the Forest Service sign contracts to lease 7 modern next-generation tankers.
What does worry me is literally having enough people and enough aircraft if we had another fire of this magnitude.
The firefighter staging area is growing by leaps and bounds. There are 600 firefighters camped out now, 800 by the end of the week. And Scott, there is some good news tonight. Cool, calm weather is giving firefighters hope they'll have this blaze 10% contained by the end of the day.